Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a modern shipping container home in Ferndale, Michigan, built using 5.5 shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies for most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more weekly videos. Check out our website sheltermode.com for lots of free resources, modern floor plans, and blueprints. If you like our videos plus our valuable content on shipping container living, feel free to support our channel on Patreon through the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. This one-of-a-kind contemporary industrial home in Ferndale, Michigan is constructed from shipping containers. On the outside, the house is clad with maintenance-free siding, and it is almost impossible to tell the house is built from shipping containers. This two-story modern home was constructed from 5.5 shipping containers to create 1,800 square feet of modern living. All the containers were fabricated off-site and assembled on an empty lot in just one day. This spectacular family home oozes with luxury elements, including smart technology. A raised front patio adorned with an outdoor fan is fitted with a front smart camera and an electric keypad door. A stylish blue-painted front door ushers you into an entrance lobby with a floating staircase tailored from wood and steel. The white-painted, custom-designed staircase with a cable railing system leads you up to a big, open living space with towering 9-foot ceilings accommodating the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, all on the second floor level of the house. Immediately after the landing, a big lobby opens into a cozy lounge space with a sofa along the wall and 2 easy chairs on one end of the living room. In the middle, there is a modern dining set with a wooden table and beautiful chairs that can comfortably seat up to 6. A modern kitchen occupies the other end of the living room, facing the front of the house. The kitchen is a big modern space for entertaining guests with high-end steel appliances featuring nicely tiled backsplash and a custom-made island built from reclaimed wood. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors at one end of the open-plan living space lead to a 320 square feet Trex balcony overlooking the backyard. All the bedrooms, a small home office, and a laundry area are located on the first floor level of the house. The master bedroom ensuite is 3 shipping containers wide, occupying the back side of the house. The master bedroom has a custom-designed closet with open wooden shelves. The master bedroom equally has a big master bathroom containing a big shower with a glass cubicle, a toilet, and a big wooden cabinet with 2 wash-hand basins and a big mirror above the countertop. In one of the 3 bedrooms, a small build-out was done to show how traditional construction can pair with shipping containers. It creates a nice nook for fitting the bed, leaving much of the room for circulation and other functions. The grooves of the raw shipping container roof are visible throughout the walkway and the bedroom's ceiling. This adds to the industrial vibe of this shipping container design. The house is built with a fully poured basement with an egress window in the basement ready for future finishing. The containers were insulated using spray foam insulation. In addition, the indoors is fitted with mini-split dual-zone heating and cooling for optimal energy efficiency. The house interior is painted with light colors to make the space look brighter and appear bigger, helping to kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container box. Laminated timber flooring is also used throughout the house to give it a sleek, modern look. This house has adequate outdoor living spaces. On the front of the house, the shipping containers on the second level accommodating the kitchen extend outwards to create a nice porch on the front of the house. From the living room on the second floor level, there is a big rooftop deck accessible using full-height glazing to create a good outdoor sitting space to entertain guests and also to enjoy the picturesque views of the neighborhood. We love the open plan living space on the first floor level of this amazing shipping container house. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.